Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something that every YouTuber and content creator needs, TubeMagic alternatives. Now, TubeMagic is known for helping creators grow their YouTube channels with features like analytics, keyword research, and optimization. But here's the truth. It's not the only tool out there. In fact, there are some really powerful alternatives that can do the same job, and in some cases even better. So in this video, I'll walk you through 3 amazing TubeMagic alternatives that you should definitely try. Number 1. VidIQ. VidIQ is hands down one of the most popular tools for YouTube creators. Think of it as your YouTube growth partner. It gives you insights about what's trending in your niche, what keywords your competitors are using, and even how well your videos are performing compared to others. One of my favorite features in VidIQ is the real-time SEO score. As you upload a video, it guides you on how to optimize your title, description, tags, and even hashtags. This way, you're not just guessing, you're making data-backed decisions to reach more people. VidIQ also offers channel audits, which show you exactly what's working and what's not on your channel. If you want to grow faster and smarter, VidIQ is a fantastic option. Number 2. TubeBuddy. If VidIQ is like a coach, then TubeBuddy is more like a personal assistant. TubeBuddy comes as a browser extension and integrates directly with your YouTube dashboard. It's built to save you time. For example, if you want to update tags across multiple videos, you don't need to edit each one manually. TubeBuddy can do it in bulk. Another standout feature is A/B testing. You can test 2 different thumbnails or titles to see which one performs better. This is super useful because sometimes just changing a thumbnail can double your click-through rate. TubeBuddy also helps with keyword research, competitor analysis, and even gives you suggestions for video ideas. For creators who are serious about managing and scaling their channels, TubeBuddy is definitely worth using. And number 3. Social Blade. Social Blade is a little different compared to VidIQ and TubeBuddy. Instead of focusing on video-by-video optimization, it's more about analytics and growth tracking. With Social Blade, you can see detailed statistics not just for your own channel, but also for others. Want to know how fast your competitors are growing, how much they might be earning, or which videos are driving their growth? Social Blade gives you all that data. The best part is that it doesn't just work for YouTube, you can track Instagram, Twitch, and TikTok as well. So if you're a multi-platform creator, Social Blade is an excellent choice. So, let's quickly recap the 3 alternatives. VidIQ helps with keyword research, SEO, and channel audits. TubeBuddy saves time with bulk tools, A/B testing, and powerful channel management. Social Blade gives you deep analytics and lets you track performance across multiple platforms. Each of these tools has its own strengths. If you're looking to optimize and rank higher, go with VidIQ. If you want management and testing tools, TubeBuddy is the way to go. And if you're more into numbers and tracking, Social Blade will be your best friend. So there you have it, 3 powerful TubeMagic alternatives that can take your content creation journey to the next level. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fellow creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.